guys, how you doing? Welcome to Metalhead Tech. Today we're looking at a keyboard. I just purchased the Corsair K55 RGB. Got it at Walmart for $27.43 on clearance. I didn't think that was a bad deal. Probably nowhere near as good as my Logitech, but we're gonna unbox it and check it out. Here we go, guys. Unboxing the K55 RGB. Let's see here. I already cut the tape. Save us a step. Figured might as well. I did already remove the wrapper. I checked it out already. I'm sorry. But in the box here we got a little manual thing, warranty guide. We don't really care about all that, do we? Let's get to the main attraction. Alright, let's see here. Alright. We got our keyboard right here. Looks pretty good. And then it looks like it comes with a wrist rest here. It's plastic. We'll check it out. Alright, the keyboard itself, it's a membrane keyboard. Very quiet. Let's see here. It's got media controls. I love that. I missed that so much. I may be one of the only ones. Let's see. It says it's got 3-zone RGB, so it's not individually addressable. That might be a turn off to some people, but yeah, hey, it is what it is. So I would plug it in and try out the RGB, but I really don't want to download the software and have to deal with all that. So I mean, here's your sound test, guys. It's a membrane keyboard all the way. I will say it does feel nice though. I mean, like I said, I got it under $30, and the original price it was $50. So, not bad. Clearance sales, I guess. Not too bad. Overall, it's a pretty nice keyboard. I mean, if you need a keyboard and your Walmart has this on clearance for under $30, maybe even cheaper, who knows now, I'd jump on it. But that's just me. Alright guys, thanks for checking out my review on this keyboard. Short review, but I mean, honestly, there's not much to say. It's a membrane keyboard. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.